All right, TechKnowSurge, should we get these configurations onto our devices now and get our topology going? So I'm excited about actually getting those WAN connections all communicating, and so for us to be able to communicate across our whole network. Okay, we're using the same topology here. I am consoled into router 1, which I don't have connectivity right now. And I don't have connectivity because there's no routing protocol that's set up. So what's happening is I'm on this demo laptop and I can ping out and it will get to this router 1, but it can't come back because this router 1 is not aware of any of these VLANs here. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up OSPF on here. I already have OSPF set up on this switch right here. So I don't need to set up OSPF there. And I'm using the same commands on this router 1 because my network statement encompasses all of my networks within here. So it's going to encompass all of the interfaces and all of the networks. So I'm good to go. Right down here, I'm pinging 10.240.2.2, which is this interface on router 1 right here. So as soon as I have connectivity, I should be able to successfully ping. That's a continuous ping. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get onto my router. I'm going to get into the global configuration mode. I'm going to do the router, OSPF, and then that process ID, and we said the process ID is specific to these routers, and it really doesn't matter what it is. We're not dealing with multiple processes, multiple OSPF processes, so we don't really need to worry about it. But I'm going to use 10 and be consistent across all of the different routers. So then I'm into the router OSPF. Now, still nothing is being sent out to other devices on here. Oh, before I do this, I'm going to do a show IP route, and let's just see what it looks like. So you see the directly connected networks. All right, so now I'm going to type in my network statement. So network, and then it's the 10.0.0.0. We're doing a /8. And then for a subnet mask, that would be a 255.0.0.0. But this is a wildcard mask, and as we mentioned, it's the opposite. So I'm going to do 0.255.255.255. And then we do area, and the area, for this, we're just doing all one area for this topology. It's very simplistic. It only needs one area, and the best practice is to be area 0. So I'm going to enter that in. And now at this point in time, it selects the interfaces that fall under that range, starts sending out information, and it's sending out the information from whatever networks fall into that range. And so we can see that our pings are successful now, and I can do the show IP route, and I can see all of the, quite a few in there, all of the OSPF routes across the whole network. So now I have connectivity via OSPF.